Breaking news! All birds have been killed. Major companies such as KFC and Chick-fil-A have suffered terribly. The chicken economy is collapsing.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. How may I help you?
Can I get a 10-piece?
10 piece? We only have mashed potatoes here.
What do you mean?
There's no more birds left. Someone killed them all.
My chicken.
There's no more birds left. I'm sorry.
I need my chicken.
No more birds left. Really sorry, man.
Wird das alles in Ordnung kommen?
Mein Führer, Steiner konnte nicht genügend Kräfte für einen Angriff massieren. Der Angriff Steiner ist nicht erfolgt.
We don't have birds. They have a significant impact on the world, and we have to see what will happen without them.
I used to study birds, and now I have nothing to do. We were getting so much good information about them. We need birds. They basically maintain environmental balance. If birds change or become sick, we can tell that the environment is becoming dangerous.
Birds control the plagues. They pollinate flowers, they scatter seeds. This is a disaster, folks. Other species are becoming extinct since a lot relied on birds for food. Insect members are growing far too big.
We're out here in the wilderness trying to see the effects of all the birds getting extinct. As you can see, it is very silent, but I think I hear something moving in the plants. Ow! Something just bit me. Ow! Stop! Stop!
The UN is currently working on a solution for this terrible issue. France has come up with robot birds, which are helping the environment with this problem. Now with our reporter on the field, Corbin.
Why did we hunt the birds if they are so important?